Do you want that Excel automatically tell you when stock is low? Just like this sheet showing reorders alerts in red. Let me show you how to build this in minutes. Kindly stay with me. Let's get into it. For this we need a formula, and for this we can write here equal to if condition. We use the if condition here, and if, and here is written the logical test. So we apply the logical test on remaining quantity. So we select this, and then what is the test? We write here if F3 is less than or equal to 20, then we apply the logical test here. Then again comma, if the value is true, then we tell to print here reorder. If the quantity is less than or equal to 20, then it will print here reorder. Then again comma, if this is not, then print here not required. Inverted commas closed. Here I have applied the formula that if the quantity of item is less than or equal to 20, then print reorder, otherwise not required. And then we hit enter. Have you seen here? This item has a quantity of 40, so here it's not required. And if the quantity is less than 20, then there will be written required. So we copy this formula to downsize like here, and here it's written reorder. In this way you can manage the stock in Microsoft Excel. This video will be very helpful for you. Kindly like, share and subscribe this channel and share this video.